In the last 30 days, I've been able to make over $24,000 just on this one platform called Whop, and I run my entire business from my phone. I'm sending payment links and invoices, managing my subscriptions with my customers, contacting my customers, and connecting them and onboarding them all from my phone from wherever I want to be at. And in this video, I'm going to walk through exactly how you can start doing the same thing and start building an online business just with your phone using Whop. First step is to open the App Store on iOS or go to the Google Play Store on your phone. I have an iOS Apple device, so I'm going to go to the App Store and type in Whop. From here, we're going to go and click on Whop, the first option here, and click on open. If you don't have it downloaded yet, go to the link down below in the description of this video and you'll be able to get my custom link where you'll be personally onboarded to Whop. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go and tap on open. So this is Beamly, and what I can do is view my Whop right here. So this is Beamly. I have a VSL right here. You can see me talking in the video, as well as all of my slides and presentations here of user results and everything of this regard. So this is my entire landing page for Beamly on my phone, and I have different apps inside of my ecosystem. So I have a free chat for all of my members to go through, as well as free prizes, and I can go and tap on that, and I have 4 free spins to use. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to spin it right now and see if we can win something. Basically, this is the Whop wheel, and you can add this to your Whop account and add it to your Whop listing. So all of your members are enticed to visit your page each and every single day. And as you can see right here, there's prizes. I almost won a PS5 right there, as well as the free chat. We have some people in this chat saying hello a bunch of times, but I can go back to my overview and go down, and here's me, learn more about me type thing. I develop Beamly for entrepreneurs, for influencers and content creators. This is my listing right here, and this is exactly what you can see in the dashboard in the bottom right of the screen recording. But say that you are brand new to Whop and you want to build your online business here. For the example of this video, I'm going to say I want to launch a crypto trading community. So in the top right, I'm going to click on the Let's Get Started Plus feature. Now I'm going to name my Whop listing. This is the title and name that everyone's going to see on the discovery page, as well as your internal Whop account. So I'm going to name this for the trading community, Frank's Trading. And then we're going to click on continue. And next I'm going to give it a headline. So daily crypto updates is what I'm going to do for this. And inside of the content, we're going to click on continue. And just like that, as we could see, we have Frank's Trading with the daily crypto updates here. This is a super bare bones listing because I haven't added anything to this yet and customized it yet. So what you would do is add a logo. It has the guide right down below, step 3 out of 10. So we can add a logo and update any of this information here. Add any description, change the listing, and then once you can actually complete all these steps, you'll be able to list it on the marketplace. That is exactly how people are going to find you in the Discover tab, and that is right down here. So the Discover tab is where people can organically find related kind of content, related communities, and related info products and other communities. So we can find anything we want here. So maximize your betting success. If you're a sports bettor, sports gambling, this is where you're going to find some of the largest, it says most money made type of communities. So we have Cody Cover Spreads here, number 1. He's a really big sports bettor, so that makes sense as to why he's number 1 here. Now say that you want to make money with TikTok Shop. We can actually click on this tab here, and it says from Sushi Bros, learn how to print money with TikTok. Sushi Bros has a massive TikTok community. No surprise, he's number 1 as well. And if I wanted to do market research and see some of the best communities for trading, I'll click on improve your trading skills and see what these big Whop accounts are doing. Because if I want to have a successful Whop, I want to go and see what the biggest Whop accounts and Whop communities are doing, so I can kind of see exactly an insight of their online business, take what's working for them, and implement it into my own business. And on Whop's platform, refunds are guaranteed if you are a verified creator. Now going on to reviews here, this account and this listing has 131 reviews with an overall rating of 4.98 stars. Refunds on Whop's platform cannot be faked or farmed in any sort of way. There's a team on Whop internally that vets and goes over every single review that gets listed to every single marketplace community and overall listing here. Now going to the home page here on the bottom left, this is the overall Whop feed. So this is only content I'm seeing of the 3 different Whop communities that I'm a part of. So I have Go Consulting, Whop Growth, and The Den, and of course Beamly, which is my own product and service here. So the home page and the feed page right here is only relevant to communities and products that you're joining. It's kind of like an Instagram page, an Instagram feed, but for only things that you pay for and things that you're interested in. So you're not going to be getting blasted and notified by random things you don't really care about, and not getting distracted from other communities that you're not even a part of. And that is super useful for only seeing information that you want to see, opposed to being flooded with other content and other communities that you just don't really care about. That's the whole point of the Discover page right here. I like to compare Whop to the modern day Amazon, but specifically for courses, consultants, and other communities where you can just get access to. And what I mean by this too is, like, we can go to the Discovery page and then I can go tap on my own community here, Beamly, right? This is like my own sort of info product, own sort of community and service I'm able to help entrepreneurs with. This is like an Amazon listing back in the day, but on a digital marketplace as a digital product and service. And when you do list your service or community on the marketplace, you are going to get organic traffic from Whop's platform. I wake up like every day with people going and joining the free version of Beamly, and then they're free leads essentially that I can upsell into an actual paid product or paid service. And that's exactly what they see down here. It says join Beamly lifetime for free, and people will click on get access, and then they'll just get access to a free little product going over exactly what Beamly is here. But say that I wanted to send a custom link, like a Stripe invoice for example. Well, I'm going to go to my dashboard and I'm going to go down to custom links. This is one of the first times I've done this on my phone because this is one of the new features that just came out on the Whop mobile app here. So I can go down and create custom link down. And what I'm going to do is click on checkout. Say that I have somebody that wants to use my product or service or join my community right now, and I'm going to send them a link to join it immediately. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to call it link name. So next I'm going to scroll down and click on choose from existing, or I can actually create a new pricing option here. What I'm going to do is make it paid, and I'm going to say a single payment. And to get access for this special link, it's going to be just $250 as a one-time payment. And I can also set this link to expire at a certain point, or even say that the stock. So that means if I wanted only one person to get access to this, I would set it to be just one person. Or if I only want to allow 5 people to get access to this, I would say 5 people as a stock. Or if I don't care who gets access to this, I can click on unlimited right here. Then I would click on done. And from there, I'm able to go down and click on save. And just like that, I have a custom link for the user that wants to buy through an invoice link, just like Stripe, but better because it's all on Whop in the one dashboard. What's really cool about using Whop as the platform for everything is because if you have other team members that you want to pay out, you can actually have them paid out through your own backend dashboard in the mobile app as well, and on the desktop, but that's for a whole different video. Next, as well, as they actually offer buy now, pay later plans like Affirm, Afterpay, Klarna. These are really beneficial if you do have a higher ticket product, higher ticket service, whatever it may be. So that means if you offer something for $2,000, your customer doesn't have to pay that full $2,000 up front. Say they split it up in 4 different payment plans at 0% interest, they will then pay $500 per month for 4 months to add up for that $2,000. But what's really cool is if somebody does use a platform like Affirm or Afterpay or Klarna to transact with you, you get that full $2,000 up front paid in full. That's the power of integrating buy now, pay later options for your service, info, product, course, whatever it may be. And regarding high ticket, Whop does offer high ticket offers inside of the platform. Some of my services are subscription based, as well as a higher ticket service. Sometimes people pay me $450 a month, $650 a month. Sometimes people pay me $1.5 to $3K upfront. Completely depends. I have everything under one umbrella, under Beamly, in my Whop account. And say that you do have somebody that wants to cancel or is filing a chargeback or wants to file a chargeback or wants a refund, you can do all of this through the mobile app as well and track everything and have full transparency. That is exactly how I'm able to go out, live my life, and run my online business that generates me over $25,000 a month, all from my phone, anywhere in the world. So if you learned something new in this video and you want to start using Whop yourself, go down to that link down in the description here, and you'll be able to go through my link, which is an affiliate link by the way, sign up with Whop, create your account, create your store, and you'll be personally onboarded by the Whop team themselves just by going through my link. But with that being said, don't be motivated, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.